of you. I need you. My love for you. Need nothing. It's cool and oh, Jack on Tita. Get the hands on Jack on Tita. My lover.
A very big hand. Clap for her. Thank you. Next. Next. You're the one. Hold on. Next. A very big hand clap for her. Thank you, Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much, ladies and gentlemen. We now invite our senior manager, Viola, to talk to us. Let us know why we are actually here, and then we'll let you know what next.
Hi, everybody. Lydia, it's nice to have you here. And thanks for everybody that turned up for the karaoke. This is a milestone for you, and it's a milestone for us. So it's a maiden concert for Lydia, but it's also the maiden concert that we are ticketing for as Momo. And we are excited to be a part of it. So what we've done is, as MTN MOMO, we have purchased hundreds of tickets for her show, in support of her show. And so the tickets are available for sale at a discounted, crazy discounted rate on the MTN MOMO app. So check your MTN MOMO app. Check Momo ticketing on the MTN MOMO app. Select Lydia Jazmine show. Select the type of ticket that you want to buy, whether it's ordinary or VIP. Purchase, enter your PIN, and boom, you get the ticket sent by SMS or to your email. Really, this is commitment for us still, for artists in the entertainment industry, and it's just a step forward as we look forward to actually step further and digitize more sectors, specifically the entertainment industry, in terms of ticketing. Thank you, Lydia.
Thank you so much.
We'll now have a picture, and then next we shall have Jazmine talk to us. Most welcome to our MOMO officers, and we will now hear from you.
Thank you very much. Good evening, everybody. I'm in the position. I just look at the voice. Okay. First of all, I would like to apologize sincerely. We're a bit late, but as you know, the concert is here and the rehearsals are crazy. So we kind of got out of time with the rehearsals. But thank you guys for being patient and waiting on us. And the media houses, everybody here, my bosses, everyone, the staff. I'm so humbled and glad to see you today. Thank you so much, MTN. I know MTN as one of those, the biggest companies in this country are supporting our Yimbi. I've seen MTN almost on every chivolo. I've seen billboards of MTN, billboards is our Yimbi. You know, thank you so much for the massive support you give to the industry. And this being my first concert, Firstborn is my first concert. It means everything. It is very special to me. Ichitegeza muze ngenda kuzaala ngalumu kati ndi lubuto ngalumu ngenda kuzaala ka baby akasoka ke bayita ka firstborn. So MTN eba empadde obuyambi, eba emperekeddeko. We are family now. We are family, and I've always dreamt of working with MTN. Nagamba baba ndikola ekivulu bali sponsoring ako. You know, the fact that we have tickets, bananga bagala tickets ezili discounted. MTN MOMO ndoza mama ni MTN MOMO. Pewe tunywa amafuta soka buza mwina MOMO pe. Ogenda mu supermarket olina MOMO pe. Mwatwanguyiza ebintu tebakyatusala busente bwaffe, you know, owayo kanet kenyirinyini kosasudde kuwayo tebakusala tukakubira obugala akantu ako. You guys know how you pay and then put money withdraw fee biki ebyo twabiwona with MTN MOMO Pay. Thank you so much MTN MOMO Pay for coming on board with Lydia Jazmine, and I promise you guys nothing but the best on first next Friday. Kati njitana next Friday. Kwa Africana mbakola mwena abali eyo oba toyina app eyo di downloading ofune ticket ngeri discounted kasente akatono oleme kugenda kusasula ku mulyango bitwale 2.5. So MTN ekikwanguyiriza ku MOMO Pay. So do it now. You don't want to miss. I have a lot of special surprises. Kano ke kabebi akasose so netegese nokuba tindire ndikuba yeyiza bisinga. So bambite musuwa muje mubeereyo. I'd love to extend my special thank you to the bosses aba MOMO Pay mwena making it possible to be on board for the concert. Thank you so much. God bless you.
A very big hand clap for Jazmine. We will now hear from Mavis, who's going to talk to us about Mama Kola tune. Is her favorite. We know about Mama Kola tune.
Thank you very much to everyone. Jazmine, we are happy to have you on board. We are humbled to stand with you and support you. You've said it all. MTN stands with everyone in the music industry. We've done it every year. We are still doing it this year. And to all Jazmine fans out there, you can support the Firstborn concert by downloading her Kola tune. Just dial *170*99# and then you get a Kola tune by Lydia Jazmine. All Lydia Jazmine fans. Abawagizi ba Lydia Jazmine, okufuna obuyimba bwe ku ssimu yo ojja kunyiga *170*999# otekemu akayimba. Mu ngeri eyo oba oyimiridde naye concert ekivulu kye kye bayita Firstborn. With MTN, we always stand with you everywhere we go. Thank you.